Now, children, today let's start with chapter number first, the computer system. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about computer, what is computer made up of, and how computer works, and storage of data. So, let's study. So, what he's saying, dear students, in this chapter, will get to know about working and features of computer. And what children are saying, yes, teachers, we are excited to start with a new computer class. So, first is what is computer? So as we know that computer, it is an electronic machine made by men. It is made up of various part, input, process that is CPU, and store it means memory and gives result what is output. So our computer is made up of hardware and software. So hardware refers to part of computer that we can see or touch. CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, microphone, they all are the examples of computer. So software refers to set of programs or set of instruction that we give to the computer and they perform different tasks. So like we have input device, processing unit, storage device, output device. They all are the example of computer hardware. So next is how does a computer work? So computer works on the IPU cycle, that is input, process and output. Input device entering the data, processing unit control the functions and output. It displays the output on the screen. Now, first is entering data. Data refers to collection of facts like your name, your address, and your telephone number. Data can be entered into computer like by typing it or using a keyboard. The data entered is called input. जो भी आप data enter कर रहे हो वो क्या हो गया आपका input हो गया. So what is input? Data or instruction that are entered into computer with the help of input device is called input. Like we have keyboard, mouse and scan. These are the different input device. Then we have processing data, performing calculation or comparing data is called processing. It is the action taken on data to convert it into meaningful information. जिसको हम किस में convert करते हैं? Meaningful information. Right? The computer will process this and show the result 155. Right? Then we have CPU, that is central processing unit, which is called brain of computer. So its work is to do, it consists of different three parts: ALU, arithmetic logic unit, CU, control unit, and we have MU, that is memory unit. So what is ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit? जो arithmetic calculation करता है, logical comparison करता है, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The logical comparison includes greater than, less than, greater or equals to, less than or equals to, or not equal. Then we have control unit. Imagine a scene at a crossroad without any traffic signal or policeman. If there is no traffic signal or policeman, then everyone would be moving at the same time. Okay? And there is very congestion of the traffic. So for that we have control unit, that's work is to control the movement of information between registrar, ALU and other parts of the computer. Then registers, they are the small memory units in the CPU, जहाँ पे तो सारा डाटा उसको हम प्रोसेस करते हैं और स्टोर करते हैं. इट हेल्प्स द ALU to easily access the data, right, for calculation and help the CU to pass the data on the other parts. It is also used to get back or retrieve the information stored in the computer memory. Then we have storage of data. We store data in the different form in the permanent way. A large amount of data can be stored in the form of, you can store it in the hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, pen drive, right? Then we have output. What is output? The result given by the computer after processing the data, इसको हम output कहते हैं. ठीक है, डिस्प्लेज ऑन द मॉनिटर स्क्रीन. और जैसा आपका प्रिंटर है वो आपको हार्ड कॉपी दे रहा है, इट इज ऑल्सो एन आउटपुट. स्पीकर जो आपको साउंड दे रहा है, इट इज ऑल्सो एन आउटपुट. Now uses of computer. Computer is used for making drawings, solving sums, doing paintings, playing games and listening to music or watching movies. And they are used in different places in school, railway station, post office, hospitals and offices. Now we have different types of computer. All the types of computer, they have CPU, keyboard, mouse, screen, सब कुछ होती है. But we have differentiated like microcomputer. They are the computers that are made to be used by one person at a time, like palm top, laptop, tablet, and smartphone. They are also called as personal computer. इनको हम personal computer भी कहते हैं. Then we have mini computers. The computers that are bigger than microcomputer and more powerful. ये faster है, इनकी ज़्यादा memory होती है and they are used in offices to connect many computers together. ठीक है, हम इनको offices में use करते हैं, right? Then we have mainframe computer. What is mainframe computer? They are very large, fast and powerful computer. Some mainframe computers are so big that they require as much large space that of room. मतलब बहुत बड़ा होता है, पूरा room की need होती है. Then we have supercomputer. These are the largest and fastest type of computer. ये बहुत बड़े डाटा को, very large डाटा को क्या करते हैं, प्रोसेस करते हैं फास्टली एंड दे आर यूज्ड इन वेरी बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये आपके वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, सैटेलाइट डिफेंस में इनका यूज करा जाता है, राइट. सो ऑन 8th June 2018 समिट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस फर्स्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर इन द वर्ल्ड. समिट जो है वो पहला सुपर कंप्यूटर था जो हमने यूज करता, राइट. This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.